good. What is going on, guys? We are here back at the garage. Another day, another dollar. So the other day I actually got this motor mount on the passenger side off. I have to do the driver's side one, this one right here, and that one also. I believe I have to take off the steering shaft mount as well, so I'll probably just grind that off and weld it back on once I already put the motor mounts. Probably do that today. Finish up the seal on the transfer case, putting it on the engine hoist, put it in the Jeep, see where the motor mounts are gonna go. Keep going from there, one step at a time, little by little. So yeah, grinded off both mounts, steering mount off as well. Here I have the driver's side mount on the frame. Comes with a little locator tab, so this is where the stock brake lines go or run through. Kind of tells you exactly where to put it. Obviously you need to mock up the engine and transmission transfer case, make sure they're good, because you can always slide it forward or back as needed. So once it's in here, I can tack it up. Then after I tack it up, I'm gonna have to remove everything again, fully weld everything, spray paint all this. We're almost there. I'm looking crazy, but we're almost there. Another day, another dollar. It just came outside real quick. I put the mounts on here. So I've already put the mounts on the engine, made these together, and then set her in. Also, another thing I'm gonna do right now really quick to start mating everything together is I'm gonna take out the coil packs, this whole bracket, the wires, headers, and the intake. Just makes things a little bit easier, a little to maneuver and stuff. And also, engine hoist is pretty low on this. It's easier to just remove it. Sweet, sweet, sweet. So we got the intake off, headers off. Sorry, it's a little loud because of the fans, but can't turn them off because then it's too hot. So got all that stuff off. I just taped everything off just so it doesn't get water, because over here it rains every single day. Now I'm gonna set up the engine hoist on this side so I can yank it up. Made it with this. Slide her in, I guess. Oh man, look at this thing. Got the tranny, made it up with the engine. I was just seeing how high I can take it. So I just measured the distance here and up to the frame, and it's gonna clear. So I think it's time to start rolling. Oh boys, just tweaking her right in. Got another little strap so I can start turning her in. We're almost there. Almost there. Oh my God, it's gonna rain.
It's gonna pour.
Oh, good. Did it hit?
That little...
Oh my God, freaking garbage.
I did not even notice.
I was literally gonna take it off. I was like, oh, it's not gonna hit.
The rain causing a delay.
Boys, this thing got soaked. Took out the motor mounts because they were kind of in the way. I'm gonna try to get it all together on the mounts that I made for the transmission. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do. All right, boys, the motor is finally in. Transmission to transfer case in. And the angle does not look bad at all. It's pointing right at the diff. Finagle it a little bit. See how it has a gap here. But I still gotta mess around with it. But at least that's kind of where it's gonna be at. I have to check here to see, because I have obviously the steering shaft here, so I gotta see. I either gotta relocate this or I don't know. I gotta see what to do. But other than that, it's a big step. All right, so we got the motor in there. Obviously everything's just clamped on for now. I still gotta push it down more and then weld it. We're almost there. Right, baby?
Yep.
See you next year.
Next year.
Alrighty, boys, just a quick video. I got everything lined up, got everything clamped down, and I'm gonna go ahead and start tacking her in place. This one still has a little bit of gap, which I have to fix now, but other than that, I think we're ready to start welding. Oh, boys, I'm welding, and not too bad, not too shabby. I don't know how to weld. Looks good. Looks real good. All right, boys, I got everything nice and cleaned up. A little bit of spray paint to clean up this whole area here. Get it all ready for the engine to go in, and next step. All right, boys, this is just one can so far. I'm just spray painting absolutely everything. So everything was kind of rusted. I cleaned it up anyways. Spray paint all this thing, make it look kind of brand new. It actually looks pretty good already. I'm gonna tape up a couple things here and just have at it. All this is gonna remain. Didn't really want to touch it, so I'm just gonna do the frame forward, including the diff, brakes, everything forward here should be pretty solid. Alrighty, boys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. We got the frame painted. She is looking good. Next step is pretty much get this motor in. Gonna live there as long as she could. We'll see how long. But anyways, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you until next time. Next episode, little by little, we're getting this thing done. So, see you guys.